I have such a love for the cars from the 50s. They're so beautiful. Look at the style. Wait till that back end comes around and you check that out. Just an incredible looking car. It's a J2 tri-power motor under the hood. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find 200 collector cars for sale. Each one will have the price tag along with a monthly finance option as well. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Let's go back to the 50s. Okay, we're looking at laser beam straight metal, and this is a lot of metal, big flat long panels, hood lines up square. The paint is like white glass. It's polished so smooth and glossy. I don't see any cracking or shrinkage. All the way down to the bottom, nice, clean, and smooth. Look how the door is cut down. That's cool. It looks custom, almost looks like a chopped top. Shuts real nice. The quarter panels are absolutely straight. I love these tail lights that come darting out at you. All nice, clean. The roof is clean. Has this line that runs down right all the way down the trunk. This car was known for the three-piece back window. Just a cool feature. All clean body, no rust, light glass. Really, it's a show quality body and paint finish. I haven't found a flaw yet. There's a tiny nick on the inside edge of the door, one down there. But boy, this is a nice body and paint. Has such style. Look at that. The body lines are amazing. So this big stainless steel panel right here is very nice. I mean, only the most minor surface abrasions. The chrome is very nice. All around the windshield's very nice. Windshield, I can't call it new because there's a real slight patina, but it's real nice. This cowl panel, I don't know if it came painted originally, but it looks like it's stainless steel. You got the rockets on the fenders and the hood ornament. All this is sparkling chrome. That big, they call it a big mouth. It looks like a bass fish. All that chrome is beautiful. It's a Super 88. Wipers, mirrors, all of this is in beautiful shape. And this one's really decked out with some wire wheels with Oldsmobile spinners, and they're wrapped in radial white wall tires. Now back here, more abundance of chrome. Check all this out. This is where the exhaust would have originally come through the bumper. They did reroute it down below so you don't have all that black stuff spraying out in your chrome. There are blue dots in there for the blue dot tail lights, and I think that's where the gas cap's going to be. Yes, it is. Beautiful. Let's open it up. I'm going to show you that interior and the J2 motor. All right, let's see what's inside this trunk. Big trunk it is. Bottom is all painted. The insulation pads are nice. Has a trunk light. All very nice. Jam is nice and clean. New weather strip. Someone has upholstered the outer panels. Carpeted floor. Check that out. Super 88 white two-door hardtop, just like this one. Has a jack and spare assembly. Now it's an all-white car, white interior, and an all-white room. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new cars are posted. Or you can subscribe to our text notifier. Text the word new to 844-592-2431. We'll let you know when new cars are posted to our website. The door jambs are clean. Weather strips replaced. Someone did custom upholster the interior. The door panels are all upholstered, matches the seat. Very cool instrument panel. It is a padded dash. All this original chrome. Just look at the gauge and the design and the buttons. It's just very, very cool looking instrument panel. And then the dash pad, how it dips down here, and you got a clock in the middle. I did ask the shop, I already sent them a note to try and do something with this here, maybe with a heat gun, maybe get that to fit a little better. giant glove box. This is our inspection sheet. There's 3 pages of inspection that's been done, and it gets a final inspection before it leaves once it's sold. Interior lights work, kick panels and carpets nice. The seats feel like they're recushioned and reupholstered. They're in very nice shape. Back seat, armrest, side panels, it's all upholstered as well. Did really nice jobs, not wrinkled. Then you have the chrome around the 3 back windows. The headliner has the deluxe chrome strips. Interior lights work. Probably original visors, the very edges, the stitching has come undone on the visors. Nice steering wheel, got a couple little cracks in it, but looks good. Boy, I don't remember the size of the motor offhand. You have to refer to our website, or I'll look it up in a minute. But this is the J2, which means it's the tri-power carburetors. GM, 2-barrel carbs, all restored. These are aftermarket air cleaners. The motor does look like it was all apart at one time. Intake and exhaust manifolds look like they were coated as chrome valve covers. All this is just tidy, clean, all painted. Fuel pump, generator, it all looks real nice. All the metal surfaces are very nice. All the hoses, vacuum lines, all neatly done. It has the horns. Battery is properly secured. It has power steering. Also has power brakes, but I think that's hidden up under the dash. Hinges are nice and clean. I need to point that out. It's an upgraded modern electric wiper system. Under the hood's all painted. Yeah, it's a nice looking motor. So the J2 motor is a 371 cubic inch, making 300 horsepower. It runs off the center 2-barrel, and then when you put your foot into it, then it opens all 3 carburetors. You actually hear them open up and go, whoa. Underneath this car, I guess the most impressive part about it is it's rock solid. The floors, the braces, the rockers all look to be virgin, clean, rust-free metal. The bottom of the car is neatly undercoated. It looks like it's been maintained as needed. The dual exhaust system looks like that's pretty fresh. Now we do inspect and service our cars. Looks like we did extensive brake work, rebuilding the brake booster. The brakes were redone. We spent $3,700 on this car and its brakes. The instruments, we had to take the dash apart, send out some gauges. I bought this car 4 months ago. We've been waiting for the gauges to come back. They finally did. So those are all working. Turn signal switch was replaced. So like I said, we do go through them. Go to volocars.com, and that's where you can talk to the salesman. They'll help answer questions. How do you get it delivered to your door? How do you get it financed? They can help with all of that. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.